Regular expressions in Python's RegEx offer a powerful mini-language for pattern matching. They are essential for modern development, enabling validation, data extraction, and text manipulation. These capabilities are crucial in automation, data analysis, and web scraping, providing concise solutions to complex string processing challenges that would otherwise require extensive procedural code. Regular expressions in Python, embedded in the RegEx, offer a specialized pattern matching language crucial for modern development. They power validation, data extraction, and text manipulation in automation, data analysis, and web scraping. RegEx enables concise solutions to complex string processing challenges, replacing extensive procedural code with elegant, efficient patterns. RegEx components are essential for crafting precise patterns. Anchors like caret and $sign ensure patterns match string boundaries. Character classes, such as left bracket and right bracket and \d, define character sets. Quantifiers like asterisk, plus, and question mark control repetition. Groups and capturing with parentheses allow sub-pattern extraction. Flags like RegEnORECASE modify matching behavior. Anchors define boundaries, with caret marking the start and $the end of strings. Character classes specify sets, like left bracket A to Z right bracket for lowercase letters, \d for digits, and \w for word characters. Quantifiers control repetition, using star, plus, question mark, and curly bracket n, m. Capturing groups, denoted by parentheses, extract subpatterns for reuse and back references. Python's RegEx offers essential functions for pattern matching. Re.match checks patterns at the string's start, while re.search scans for the first occurrence. Re.findAll lists all non-overlapping matches, and re.findIter provides detailed match objects. Re.sub allows pattern-based text substitutions, facilitating complex string transformations. Email validation using RegEx ensures structural correctness. The pattern checks for an alphanumeric username with special characters, a required @ symbol, a domain with alphanumeric characters, hyphens, and dots, and a top-level domain with at least 2 letters. Implementing this in Python with rematch confirms format compliance, as shown in the provided test cases.